Hey guys, how's it going? So, welcome back to another video on my channel. My name is Rory and I hope you're all having a great day. Today in this video we're going to be creating a custom wallpaper for one of my subscribers after I got a comment on my glitch effect tutorial. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave a link up there for you to watch it, asking if I could create them a custom iPhone wallpaper for them. If any of you would like anything done like this, be sure to leave it in the comments below and I'll definitely get back to you. So, without further ado, let's jump into the computer and I'll see you on the other side. So we've done designing the wallpaper and now all I've got to do now, export it and airdrop it to my phone, and then I'll see you in a bit. So just finished airdropping it to my phone and yeah, this is the final result. Yeah, I mean, I'm very happy with the way that turned out. Don't have any complaints, and like I said, if any of you want anything done like this for yourself, remember leave a comment down below. I'll be sure to reply and definitely do this for you. And if you did enjoy the video, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.